What's up, Stat Family? Told you we was coming back with another. We got Larry the Legend Bird versus Magic Johnson, 1985. This is a live reaction. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. Let's get it. You know, I'm going at Bird. I'm going at Magic. I know this live. You started. Okay, D. Johnson.
They usually go to Kareem. Dennis Johnson, who has been cold lately from the outside, puts the Celtics in front again. And here's Scott. He averaged 23 points in the
Shot B. Scott. That was a good pass too, man.
He's more confident this year, Dick, than he was last year as a rookie. And Pat Riley gave him the green light to shoot anytime he wants.
Good pass down there. Big Bird. Come on now, let's work. Man, this back to back too.
Bird and Kareem right now leads Bird for Worthy. Worthy's been handling a lot more of a defensive responsibility against some of the
That's a
big
knockdown right there. Come on, y'all know better than that.
Worthy that time tried to really deny him the ball.
You know he's knocking those down though. That's Big Bird right there.
Gamble that didn't work. The rebound story tells you why the Celtics
work down there, Kareem. Come on. Skyhook.
You're exactly right, Nick. It's too. Parrish having a tough time denying him the position he was. 7.5 remaining, first period.
Who that RP? Oh, that's good D. Okay. Ooh. Okay, Magic. That's a pull-up jumper, deadly. Come on, man. That pull-up was deadly. I see it, man. Big Bird. Pull-up Magic. That's how you come down and respond. Right the best of the best. Look at B. Scott. B. Scott coming off them pin downs out there.
Well, they sure are. And that time the Celtics switched out, even in trying to anticipate Scott getting the ball, and he still scored.
Look at that down there. Good pass, Maxwell. No, that ain't Maxwell. That left hand. I like that left right there, Bird. Magic. Ooh. Oh, my goodness. It's my first time watching this, too. It's live right here. Knock that down. Come on, man. You can't do nothing with that jump. You just pray that he missed.
Bird from the field. 2:35 remaining, first period. It's been tight and taut. The Lakers are up by 3.
That's good D, Bird. That's how you play defense right there. You can't coach that. What Bird just did, you can't coach it right there, man. The Bird playing D down there. Look how Bird plays defense. Look at him. Look at him. You're watching the floor. That's a good shot, Magic. Well, Magic was cold. It's different when you really watch it. Get them highlights, it's different. It's the game right here. Okay. Pump fake. Magic. That's a good shot right there, man. Well, Magic Johnson got a jumper, didn't he? They talking about Magic couldn't shoot, just passing. That's a good take.
Went for the fake. Nobody goes for the fake on Magic without getting burned.
Pull up.
But there's Clark. keeping it alive. And traveling against Scott Whitman, but we got a glimpse of a good
What they call him?
Carlos
Travel?
He's got potential, but his offense needs a little work. But Casey Jones is concerned in his second unit in the ball game with turnovers, which was quite evident that time for walking violation.
Magic, pull up. Boy, Magic was cold, man. Boy, Magic wasn't playing no game. Ain't no Magic was like that.
You know, Magic used to smile a lot. And McAdoo said he's playing this season with a mission. He has 6 assists to go with those 16 points. And I think he does have a mission, particularly against the guys in green. How sweet it would be for him to achieve it against the Boston Celtics. 200 wins in 289 games. Larry Bird gets the roll, and Bird has 17
That's a good
points.
take, Bird.
Leads the Lakers with 16. 6 minutes, 10 seconds remaining in the second period. Brandon gets inside. Bird knocks it away. Larry Bird has
I'm getting sweet way from behind here.
finds Dennis Johnson open. And Johnson gets
Shot.
on the way. But they had him spread out that time, Dick. Bird had everybody leaning his way. Cooper going up. Too close inside. It's Boston ball. Kareem comes back in the ball game along with Magic Johnson shortly. Magic will have to wait. Kareem is in there, replacing McAdoo. I was going to say a foul before that we had called for Maxwell was changed by Jake O'Donnell to Dennis Johnson, but Johnson has won. Robert Harris, not yet a factor in this ball game.
Pass.
The words a little sooner out of our mouths. 1 point and 1 rebound before that basket by the Chiefs. That's the team effort. Worthy gets his own rebound. Rambin. Say the Lakers have Tiger off the offensive glass here. What a terrific ball game this is. As Larry Bird hits a three-pointer to tie the ball game at 56. 10 minutes remaining. And the turnover is saved by Kareem.
Yeah, Magic.
Lakers by 4. They scored 7 in a row.
Good take.
Now make it 9.
The Magic hoop.
Magic Johnson 24, leading the Lakers. Larry Bird 26. High score of the game.
Yeah, Bird.
They double Bird.
Backboard. That's how you stay with it, though.
Dennis Johnson. McHale was left open momentarily. He's got to battle Kareem inside. Not a good enviable assignment for Kevin. Johnson puts a move on Scott. Kareem backs it to the side where Byron Scott takes it.
Oh, yeah, B. Scott.
Lakers by 4. Off the mark for Magic. And there's Randall. Knight gets his rebound.
Oh, yeah, Bird. Ooh. That was mean right there. That was mean right there.
Double team. It's staged sometimes. Passing so well, and Celtics will be reluctant to double him.
Oh, yeah. Lock that down.
Comes back anyway with a big basket. 33. Matching his number.
Goodness.
Scott, top of the key. And they let Magic steal the rebound. The Lakers in control right now. He's always there when he needs to be there, Magic. One of their best rebounds. I don't know if he felt he needed anything to prove in this
Ooh.
game. He fouled.
That was an and one.
AC knows what it's all about right here. And Magic has put on quite a performance in this ball game. He's done such a great job of pushing that ball up, creating tempo that's so important to this ball club. You know, for him to be rattled by what people are saying about him in the playoffs last year is ridiculous. 29 for Magic Johnson.
Boys going in it.
10 of 11 from the free throw line. Timeout Boston for the Lakers. Are leading by 7, and it was awfully good for the men in gold and blue.
That was legendary. Salute Big Bird. Salute Magic. Thank y'all staff family for watching the full video. We'll be back with another video after this video. Make sure y'all stay prayed up. Y'all be safe. Y'all be good. You know.